Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel, Magnific Creator. I would like to share to all of you about how to make a hexagonal cabinet off on on the wall. First of all, we have to make a existing wall for the first. You can set the any size of the thickness as proportional as possible. Then you can push it up until the proper height, maybe. I will set it until 3 around 3 millimeter for tall. Okay, this is a existing wall. You can make it group, and then you have to use a circle for the first. To make a cabinet, you have to set the circle, and you can position on the wall like this. Just click it, and sorry. I will repeat it. You have to make a polygon. Anyway, you have to make a polygon, and you can position on the wall. You can set the value of side. You can set the count of side. I will set the 6 side, and then press enter, and you can uh, just position on the wall. Then you can adjust it. Anyway, it's around 400 millimeter. Then you can uh, duplicate it. You can duplicate it with select all object and press move right here. Then this object is to make a backdrop material, and this object to make a shelf. You can set the thickness by use the offset tool and erase unnecessary side right here. You can push it back until you can see like this. Anyway, then you can make it in one group. Anyway, then you can make it group for both of object. And for another improvement, you can take move and press and left click on it, and you can position it on a beautiful position as you can take. Anyway, maybe I would like to adjust the position to make a beautiful position, to make a dynamic look like position like this. And you can see this. You can adjust the arrangement of the cabinet. Anyway, you can take the adjustment of the cabinet, so you can have a beautiful arrangement of the hexagonal cabinet. Anyway, you can see this. Then this cabinet are finished. You can set the formica laminated light material from the synthetic surface. Okay, you can set this material for all cabinet. For all cabinet. You can see like this, and you can decorate your wall with aesthetic material. Anyway, maybe you can set this material like this. Okay, or you can set the shelf. You can make another shelf like this by use a rectangle and push it on the front side. You can set this, or you can take another material. You can take a dark material to make it more aesthetic. Anyway, you can move it on the side as you want. Anyway, maybe something like this. You can take the any position, so you can see the difference than before. Okay, thanks for watching. Please improve yourself to make more complex 3D modeling. Then you can have a more impressive skill to make 3D modeling of more complex furniture or more complex housing. Anyway, thanks for